Good evening, everyone. If I'm loud and clear, give me a yes in the chat box so that we can get started. Can you hear me? Can you see me clearly? Yes, come on camera. I'd love to see you all. Thank you, Shweta. And there's one person, Aapka Laddu. Wow, what a name. Lovely. Come on camera. Love to see you. And this is a session exclusively to clear your doubts, no matter which course you belong to. So, like you all know, I have more than 40 plus courses among the healing modalities. There's angel healing, crystal healing, chakra balancing, aura healing. There's Ho'oponopono, EFT. There's healing using theta brain waves. There's Reiki, Mani Reiki, Saraswati Reiki, Ashtalakshmi Reiki. There's Shiva Reiki. There's Hanuman Reiki and card reading, Claire powers. So there are a lot of courses, and every other day I get a lot of messages or calls wherein a lot of people ask me doubts. How is this? What is this? Can I do like this? Can I not do like this? And this is one of those occasions where I feel that whatever your doubts are regarding healing, feel free to ask so that we can definitely clear your doubts also and get started. So if you have any doubts, raise your hand and we will take one by one. And meanwhile, I will just quickly let you know that which are the courses which we are covering today. So anybody has any doubts with Ganesh Reiki? Ganesh Reiki, just feel free to put it in the chat or raise your yellow color hand, the virtual hand on Zoom. No doubts on Ganesh Reiki? All clear? Okay, Kirti, yes, feel free to ask me. Unmute yourself. I'd love to see you, Kirti. Come on camera.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. It's not about Ganesh Reiki. It's about clairvoyance and Reiki, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Let me know.
Ma'am, clairvoyance and Reiki में क्या difference है? And by taking this course, how we can help others and ourselves, ma'am?
Have you learned Reiki?
No, I'm interested, ma'am. I'm intrigued towards it. But before knowing anything, I can't step into that now, ma'am.
Okay.
So I just want to
Which
know
course
what is this.
have you taken any of my courses?
Oh, as अभी तक तो नहीं, ma'am.
All right. So I'll tell you. Reiki is a beautiful ancient wisdom which is from the world of energy healing. So, Kirti, if you're brand new into this and you're here for the first time and want to understand what is clairvoyance and what is Reiki, let me tell you, you've been introduced to this world for a reason. Which world? The energy world. So, nobody just bumps in like this and asks me question like Reiki and clairvoyance. If you're asking me, then definitely there is a calling within you which wants to know that what is this knowledge. I want to understand what is there in this. So I want to tell you this energy world is like magic. A lot of us that we see here in this world, the physical body, the physical world, this is all what is physically felt. But then we also have an energy world, an energy body, which is not felt, but which is not seen or touched, but you can just feel it. Just like the good vibes and the bad vibes, the good and the bad, the black and the white, the light and the heavy. So Reiki is a beautiful form of healing modality, which is a very ancient one, very powerful, which will help you to remove any blockages, to remove any negativity and manifest your dreams and, make anything positive and raise your vibration in simple terms, Kirti. But if you're fresher and you want to start, then my recommendation will be this course, which is called as chakra balancing. Let me quickly show you how it looks so it's easy for you. Yeah, this one. Chakra balancing. This has 9 sections, part 1, part 2, part 3, or 13 sections. And like this is the first chakra, second chakra, third chakra, fourth chakra. So each chakra has so many sections which you can just go through. And of course, this is certified. So you get a certification, you get the PDF as well. And chakra balancing should be the first course that you hop in, Kirti, because without understanding chakra balancing, you will not be able to understand Reiki. So chakra balancing is the knowledge about the 7 chakras in our body. And then when you learn Reiki, you will understand how using the 7 chakras, we can heal ourselves or heal another person. And what is clairvoyance? If you do not know, we all have psychic abilities. You must have heard somebody saying that I saw this, I heard this, but we will feel like I didn't see. How did this person see? This is called as clair powers. We all have 6 clair powers. And one of the clair powers which you are referring to is called as clairvoyance. Clairvoyance is the ability to see with closed eyes. So even if I'm closing my eyes and if I'm to remember how my dad looks, I can definitely with my closed eye visualize my dad. So this is just a, an exercise we say that you should practice to see with your closed eyes, and eventually you will start seeing things which are going to be in your benefit, which are going to help you in your healing journey. So Kirti, if you're fresh here, if you're brand new here, the first course I will recommend out of my 40 courses is chakra balancing. Start with chakra balancing, then jump to Reiki, because Reiki is a little advanced and you might feel a little lost that I didn't understand what this is. Yes, Kirti, I hope this is clear, or you have any more doubts?
Ma'am, Reiki healing, how many days course and how long it will take me to understand, and what is the fee, ma'am, for that?
So Reiki, the first time, if you're learning, it is 2 levels, level 1 and level 2. It is called as the healer level. Level 1 is generally used for self-healing, the concepts and all of that. And level 2 is where you learn to heal another person, and you will get introduced to 3 symbols, which are the Reiki symbols. And you can do distance healing after that. It will take you approximately 3 to 4 days to finish the course. And after that, you will have live attunement. So we regularly have these attunement sessions wherein you can come. You will be added to a WhatsApp group, which is the Reiki WhatsApp group. After that, whenever there is an attunement is passing the power of Reiki from the master to the student. So in this case, it's me. And in any case, whoever is the master, whoever is the mentor, whoever is the coach, connects you to the energy of Reiki. So that is what is in Reiki. So 3 to 4 days for you to learn. You get a pre-recorded course, instant access. So this involves both the levels, level 1 and level 2. After that, you will be called as a Reiki healer. You are entitled to call yourself a healer, a Reiki healer. So that is this one. Yes. Reiki level 1, level 2. So you have 2 sections in this. Level 1 is 1 section. Level 2 is 2 videos. And you can just go ahead and learn this. Attunement, after you get, you can definitely feel free and ask your doubts on one of these kind of live sessions.
That's amazing, ma'am. I mean, like, I'm very new to this now. So, one-on-one sessions is not possible, ma'am, in Reiki learning, because I'm so much interested in this Reiki. So I want to make myself perfect and help others and help myself. Ma'am, with this Reiki, इससे हमारा inner child, past trauma, ये सब heal होता है, ma'am?
ऑफ कोर्स होता है। सबसे पहले अगर आप रेखी सीखेंगे तो उसमें एक एक्सरसाइज है जिसको बोलते हैं पैनोरामिक व्यू ऑफ लाइफ, जहां पे आप जब से पैदा हुए हो आज तक, वट एवर इज योर एज, वहां से लेके आज तक की जर्नी आपको एक मेडिटेशन में हम लेके जाते हैं, जहां पे आपको जहां पे भी पेन्स है, ट्रॉमास है, इनर चाइल्ड की हीलिंग की जरूरत है, वहां पे आप रेखी के थ्रू हील कर सकते हैं। तो डेफिनेटली इट इज पॉसिबल विथ रेखी।
Thank you, ma'am.
ऑलराइट।
And fee, ma'am, you didn't mention fee for Reiki.
Sorry?
Fee, Reiki course fee.
Yeah. Level 1 and level 2, definitely both of them are together 1,999.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So, Kirti, do you have the link of the courses, which of Reiki and the other courses that I have?
No, ma'am, I don't have.
Okay, I'm going to quickly leave the link so you can have a look.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. Just give me a minute. So you can have a look at all the courses, the prices, and definitely then go ahead. Any more doubts that you have? I'm happy that you're entering the world of healing. Yes. So Kirti, I'm leaving this group, the link over here, which you can definitely refer to. So then we have Samsung SMA135F. Can you unmute yourself so that I clear your doubt? In NLP, there's only one video. Can you please check, ma'am? NLP has the principles of NLP. Is this Saraswati, ma'am? Yes, unmute yourself. See, I can recognize you now.
Thank you, Madhura. Thank you so much. In the NLP, there's only one video.
Okay, I'll just quickly see. Right? I will definitely add that. Any more doubts that you have?
Yeah.
There's some network error. I'll just
No,
check
when
that
will be
with
the,
you.
okay, that's fine. Yeah, I'm in the clinic room, so it is not very clear. That's the
All right.
reason.
Done that.
Okay.
Okay, yes. Gopa, ma'am, what to do to increase my learning capacity to the fullest? I'm so happy you're learning already so much. And I want to ask you, what is stopping you from learning? Unmute yourself. Why do you feel you're not able to learn to your fullest capacity? What is stopping you?
Actually, what is stopping me is my means I mean कुछ सीखने में मतलब कुछ सीख लेती हूँ फिर लगता है कि भरा हुआ है दिमाग अभी आई नीड सम रेस्ट फिर मतलब आई मीन डाइजेस्ट करने में बहुत ज्यादा समय लग रहा है
तो वो चलेगा, आपकी खुद की बॉडी जैसे रिक्वायरमेंट है, माइंड हो चाहे बॉडी हो, वैसे कीजिए। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि सब कुछ हमको एक साथ फटाफट, मैंने कर लिया वैसे। मैंने बहुत जल्दी बहुत सारी चीजें सीख ली और आई वांट टू कांग्रेचुलेट यू कि आपने भी बहुत सारा सीख लिया। ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने कम सीखा है। आई नो यू व्हाट ऑल यू हैव लर्न, गोपा, सो आई मस्ट कांग्रेचुलेट यू फर्स्ट। और सबसे पहले तो आप ग्रैटिट्यूड अपने आप को बोलिए कि मैंने कितना कुछ सीख लिया। हाँ, थोड़ा और बाकी है, वो कर लेंगे तो नो प्रॉब्लम, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड।
आई वांट टू बिकम अ ट्रू शागिर्द ऑफ मधुरा गिरीश
I love you. You want to become a
I
true?
really mean it. I really mean it.
What is that? I want to become a true
True shagird. I mean student.
student. Acha, acha. You are already a true student.
No, I mean I want to become a replica. I mean कोई भी देखेगा तो बोलेगा yes, this is I want to make you proud of
I
me.
am already
So
proud.
I admire your capacity and your teaching so much कि मुझे भी लगता है कि मुझे भी बनना है आप जैसा। तो उसके लिए जो एक कैपेसिटर की जरूरत है आई मीन कुछ कैपेसिटी इंक्रीज नहीं करने से ऐसा बनना मुश्किल है तो क्या प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा प्लीज गाइड मी
मुझे लगता है कि आपको डीक्लटर करना है। अब सीखना बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है, लेकिन बहुत सारी चीजें जो अंदर भरी है उसको खाली करना जरूरी है। तो जस्ट एम्प्टी योरसेल्फ नाउ बिफोर वी एड ऑन मोर थिंग्स, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। तो आई कीप टेलिंग दिस टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल कि मैंने अपने आप को इतना ज्यादा खाली कर दिया व्हेन आई वाज लर्निंग। आई मेड माई सेल्फ सो मच एम्प्टी कि सच में मेरे मेमोरी से मेमोरी चला गया है। व्हेन आई यू नो, ये स्कूल ग्रुप्स में वगैरह जो ग्रुप में फोटो वगैरह डालते हैं एंड दे से हाय दिस इज मी, मुझे सच में लगता है ये कौन है, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर, क्योंकि मैंने इतना सारा दिमाग खाली कर दिया। सो आई थिंक गोपा, देयर इज अ फेज वेयर यू हैव टू एम्प्टी योरसेल्फ। यू नीड टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ getting rid of a lot of people and all that who are just wasting your time in your life, in your mind, not necessarily in the real physical world, but they are occupying a memory in your mind and they're taking up so much of time and space in your mind कि आपको नई चीजें भरने में मुश्किल हो रहा है। So सिट एंड थिंक कि ऐसी कौन से लोग हैं, विचार है जिससे मैं भरी पड़ी हूँ, जिसकी वजह से नया यू नो नॉलेज आने से मुझे ब्लॉकेज है। रिमूव देम, क्लीन देम, मेमोरीज, all of that, and then you feel so much better. Just like our phone, we are actually like that. You know, when it is too much, then we start hanging, the phone start hanging, the same thing, we also start feeling कि it's overwhelming, कि बहुत ज्यादा हो गया। तो उस टाइम में जैसे आप बोलते हो, it's taking time for me to digest, you should give yourself that time to digest, it is good. That digestion is called as implementation. When you implement things, you actually make it a part of your DNA. When you're learning, you're just absorbing knowledge, you're just getting knowledge. But when you implement, you make it a part of you. So if you ask me that why I was able to learn a lot, because I was implementing a lot in my life, and I really can't relate myself to the old Madhura because it was a very, very different version of me. So jaise bolte hain ki version 1, version 2, version 3, I think I am the 10th version of whatever I was before, because I've upgraded myself in every single way. So yes, you also, I think you are already at version 5 or version 6, Gopa. Definitely, I'm happy that you have learned a lot, you have upgraded yourself a lot. And that learning never finishes, that upgrading never finishes. So definitely now declutter yourself and go to the next level.
And one more thing, in the process, what I feel that there are 4 steps that I face in my journey. लिखना, पढ़ना, सुनना and practice करना.
हाँ,
Which one to focus more? The practice one?
सब कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट है, लिखना, पढ़ना, सुनना, Is that what you said? लिखना पढ़ना सीखना
Yes. सीखना मतलब सुनकर लिखकर भी हम सीखते हैं, पढ़कर भी सीखते हैं, फिर सुनकर भी सीखते हैं, और फिर प्रैक्टिस करके दैट यू सेड ना इम्प्लीमेंटेशन।
यहाँ पे आपको अपने क्लियर पावर्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। कुछ लोग जो पढ़ के सीखते हैं वो पढ़ के ही सीखते हैं क्योंकि उनको पढ़ना बड़ा पसंद है। सो देयर क्लियर पावर इज द विजुअल, दे आर द विजुअल पीपल, सो दे लाइक टू रीड। कुछ लोगों को सुनने से सीखने को मिलता है, सो दे आर द ऑडियो पीपल, सो दे लिसन एंड दे लर्न। एंड सुन के एंड देख के आर द पीपल हु सी द यूट्यूब वीडियोज एंड डेफिनेटली इम्प्लीमेंट करके आर दोज पीपल जिन्होंने अपने लाइफ में एक्सपीरियंस किया है। तो मेरे हिसाब से आपको अपना क्लियर पावर आइडेंटिफाई करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आपको बुक्स पढ़ना पसंद है तो वहां से सीखो, किसी से सुन के। जैसे आई थिंक आप मेरे वीडियोस बहुत सारे देखा थे, 30 कोर्सेस आपने किए हैं, 30 कोर्सेस राइट, या 35 32, हाँ। तो हाँ, तो आप वो हैं जो देख के सुन के, देखना और सुनना, और आपने सीखा, अब बाकी है इम्प्लीमेंट करना, करो इम्प्लीमेंट।
ओके, एंड वन थिंग जो हो रहा है, दिस इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन, आई विल टेक नॉट मच ऑफ योर टाइम।
नॉट प्रॉब्लम।
जब मतलब कभी कभी ऐसा हो रहा है कि कुछ लग रहा है कि सब कुछ क्लियर, एकदम क्रिस्टल क्लियर हो रहा है, दिस टू डू दैट टू डू, एंड फिर अगेन एवरीथिंग गेट्स क्लमजी, मतलब पूरा विजन आ जाता है, फिर अगेन द नॉर्मल, कहाँ मिट जाता है, कहाँ सब कुछ खो जाता है एकदम क्लैरिटी।
आपको रिवाइज करना है प्रॉपरली, और जब मैं बोलती हूँ कि यू शुड प्रैक्टिस एंड इम्प्लीमेंट, इट इज सो ट्रू, बिकॉज व्हेन यू इम्प्लीमेंट यू क्रैक द कोड ऑफ हाउ इट वर्क्स। until then you are just wondering कि अच्छा ऐसे होता होगा, अच्छा ऐसे, just like you know, मैं लोगों को कुछ सिखाती हूँ ना तो उनको लगता है इसमें क्या है। कार ड्राइविंग ऑल्सो व्हेन वी लुक एट अदर पीपल, क्या है, बस ऐसे स्टीयरिंग करो, जो दो चीज ऐसे करो और कार सीख सकते हो। बट व्हेन यू सिट इन दैट चेयर एंड व्हेन यू एक्चुअली डू इट, यू फील के ओ दिस रिक्वायर्स अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ स्किल। बट एक बार आपने वो क्रैक कर लिया, उसके बाद आप फोन भी सुन बात करते कार ड्राइव कर सकते हो, गप्पे मार के कर सकते हो। स्टार्टिंग में कैसे होता है, नहीं नहीं डोंट टॉक, डोंट डिस्टर्ब, लेट मी ड्राइव, लेट मी कॉन्सेंट्रेट, अच्छा ब्रेक आ गया, अच्छा ये क्या बोलते हैं, स्पीड ब्रेकर आ गया, कोई आ गया, that's how we behave in the beginning, but then after a while we are cool with it. So you're in that phase when you're still being able to concentrate and trying to align things, which is a good phase. ये सबके लाइफ में होता है। तो आपने बहुत सारी चीजें सीखी, अब वो वाला फेज चलेगा, उसके बाद when you're through that phase, फिर आप आराम से हीलिंग कर सकते हो। So this is a good phase. You have already crossed a lot of phases and come here.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yes. Yes, Archana, please unmute yourself.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fantastic. How are you?
I'm good.
Which course have you
ma-
taken, Archana?
So many.
Acha.
I'll have to list it. It's more than 20.
20, lovely. I'm so happy.
Yeah. Ma'am, I was trying to initiate my course for Ho'oponopono, but I couldn't go through because I was not able to make the payment.
Hmm.
I mean, it was coming for some. So I just want your guidance because there was one app, I think, to which we can go, but I'm not able to go through that also.
Okay. So I'm
And
leaving you one
yesterday,
Teams- I'm leaving you
Pardon?
my Teams number. You can contact her. She will be able to help you and give you the course.
yeah. And secondly, I wanted to know, I want to be a grandmaster in Reiki. I have taken 3 part 1, part 2, part 3. I
Hmm.
want to go for the grandmaster now.
So you have that link, no? You have the Grandmaster link, right? Ma'am, are you there?
I don't. Yeah, I'm there.
Okay. So you have the
Hello.
Grandmaster link or you don't?
No, I don't have.
All right. Are you you are a part of some WhatsApp group, no?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. So I am just giving you the Grandmaster link. You can quickly press on
Okay.
that. Go ahead and start learning, and course will be recorded. So ma'am, I've given you two.
Okay.
One is my team's number, Mariam. You have her number 96560
Okay.
9678. Anybody who has a problem with access of courses or anything, definitely contact Mariam. And the second
Okay.
link which I've given is for Reiki level 3 Grandmaster.
Okay. After Grandmaster, I'll be able to attune the people, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. Okay, that's what I wanted to know. Okay,
Love.
thank you so much. Your courses are
Unmute yourself, please. Yes.
Your courses are very amazing. I love it. It's so easy to understand and very, fruitful with results and all.
Thank you
I've,
so much.
I've applied your courses, learnings on others for healing, and it works too.
Lovely. Thank you so much for saying that. Yeah. Take care.
Thank you so much.
Keep transforming a lot of lives. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So we have another number. No, another. I want to know what is master level and what grandmaster level, ma'am. Aarti, can you unmute yourself, please? Let me answer your question. Aarti, are you there?
Yes, yes. Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Can I see you?
Just a second.
I would love to see you because I generally don't get to see you otherwise.
Right, right.
Wow, lovely. Such a lovely face.
Thank you. So
So,
my question was like, I don't know the difference between the master and grandmaster. Somewhere I heard there'll be levels like A, level B, something. So is it like the course you're providing same?
yes, let me tell you. So when you are a Reiki master, the healer, that is level 1 and level 2. And then when you learn a Reiki master level, which is the teacher level, it's called, not the healer level, it's a master level. So you learn a new symbol, which is the master symbol, and you learn certain other things, which is like the psychic surgery and making crystal grids and healing through, acute problems and stuff like that.
Mhm.
When you learn how to do an attunement, you are entitled to create another healer. That is, you can attune another person. Suppose you are doing attunement to someone for level 1, level 2, then you are the master and you are making a Reiki healer. Is it clear?
Okay.
All right.
Hmm.
So you need to first learn this level 3. After that, when you start attuning people, you attune level 1, level 2. You are a Reiki master and you are making people healer. After making 10, 15 attunements for level 1, level 2, then you start attuning people for level 3. And when you attune people for level 3, you become the Reiki grandmaster and you are
Okay.
creating masters. All right.
Okay.
The concept. So you are now a grandmaster and you are creating masters. So that's the difference between a master and a grandmaster. So there are different symbols that you give when you are attuning people for level 1 and level 2. And then there are different symbols which you give for attuning people for level 3. So that's how you become a master. And after you've attuned a good number of people, you have the confidence, your vibration is higher, your level of knowledge is higher, your attunement process is stronger. Then you jump to creating more masters and then you become a Reiki grandmaster.
So the course you're providing, it has both the levels, ma'am?
It has.
Okay. And I have one more question, like, does Reiki has
Aarti, which course of mine have you taken?
level 1, level 2,
All right.
the first one?
Yes. So
Yes.
you can go to 3 now.
Yeah, so I was waiting for the attunement, ma'am. So I think whenever you are doing it,
Which one? Of
level
level 1, level 2?
level 1, level 2, yeah.
All right. I'll plan it.
Sure. And the second is, does Reiki has any side effects? Like, I really don't know much about it. So does it have any side effects?
So my answer
If
to
I
this,
really don't know how to like do healing to other, will it give any negative effects? Because initially we may not be the perfect person to, like, perfectly we can't do, no. So that's the only you have it.
okay. So this is a question that comes to me most commonly. Most common question is this. So I want to answer this for anybody out here who is asking this question, that after doing Reiki, is there a side effect? Let me tell you that there is absolutely no side effect of Reiki because it is a positive energy and it is a safe thing. If anybody who is a beginner is thinking that if I do not follow a procedure, will there be a problem or a side effect? I would say no. If you do not do the procedure well, either it will have less effect or it will have no effect, but it will not have a side. Okay. Kindly mute yourself, everyone else. So there will be either no effect. So whatever your Reiki healing is done is maybe not working the right way because you are not doing it right, or it is working less because you're not doing it perfectly, which comes with practice, but it will never have a side effect. What is the problem is if you learn, I'll tell you, if you don't learn how to do the switch off and switch on, which is not with Reiki, which is with any profession. I'll give you an idea. if there's a doctor and morning 10 o'clock to 5 o'clock he has his clinic, and he has like 15 people coming to him, and everyone is coming and saying, I have stomach ache, I have headache, I have heart pain, I have hand pain, something or the other, I have vomiting, I have loose motion. Every person comes and tells their problems. He's listening to problems, listening. And after at 5 o'clock when he finishes his clinic, again he goes home and again he thinks, okay, iska kya hua, loose motion ka maine tablet bola tha, liya ki nahi liya, टैबलेट से कम हुआ नहीं हुआ, इसका बुखार उतरा या नहीं, इसका फीवर कम हुआ. If the person is thinking like that even after 5 o'clock and he is not spending his time in the way he should, and rather he is just continuing to think about his patients, it can be bad for him. It's the same for the healer. When you are a healer, there will be a lot of times you meet people who will tell their divorce stories, they will tell their pains and trauma, how their childhood was painful and stuff like that, because you're a healer and you have to listen, because they are coming to you to get themselves healed. Nobody who is completely healed will come to you. Somebody will come and share their problems. So when you attend somebody, you should listen to them 100% and give them 100% of your healing or your everything. But after you finish their call or after you finish healing them, switch off yourself, disconnect yourself and leave them. You should not further continue at night while sleeping. You're thinking, acha maine aaj Reiki healing kiya tha, is it working, not working, sahi kiya, galat kiya, is it she's feeling better, she's not feeling. That's not what is your job. Your job is to do it 100% to the best of your capacities. So if you continue to think like that for a really long time, you can be disturbed, because you're all the time thinking about what happened, this is correct.
So as a healer, we have to disconnect ourselves from the
Yes.
emotions of the people around.
One is called as cord cutting, where you energetically cut yourself after the healing, which is very important. Second thing is thought cutting also, that you don't think about them also. You just let them free and leave yourself free after that. Just let the universe decide and do what is good for them, because you have done your job honestly well.
Okay. So
Yeah.
I have 2-3 more questions. Is it okay if I can ask?
This is purely
Yes,
for your questions. This session has nothing else but questions.
Thank you, ma'am. So I have the question about the backflow remedies you have.
1 minute, Aarti. Are you a part of Reiki level 1, level 2 WhatsApp group?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you will get your attunement details over there.
Sure.
Yeah. Tell me.
I want to know about the backflow remedies. So I want to learn it, but I really don't know how to source the product and how to help the clients in that terms. So will it be mentioned in that course, like where and all? And
Absolutely.
it is a certificate, like certified course,
Yes,
no, ma'am?
yes, it is.
Okay. And the third is aura and chakras. I want to learn the auras and chakras. So that's what also I have heard. I attended actually a Reiki session, a free master class of somebody. So they were telling you, you can cleanse the aura and the chakras also with the Reiki. So in that case, is it a part of your Reiki, or I have to take the separate courses?
So what you have done, if you have not learned chakra and aura and jumped into Reiki, you have actually skipped LKG and UKG and you have jumped into fourth standard.
So I know basic about it, ma'am.
You should know thoroughly about it.
I don't know thoroughly.
You should know thoroughly, because when you learn chakra balancing and you learn aura healing, you learn certain things. Like somebody says that my relationship is going bad, your head should work like, which chakra is having a problem? My money is having a problem. You should think, okay, which chakra is having a problem? I have PCOD, which chakra is having a problem? So your question should be always not to hurt, but in the mind. Okay, saying like this. Suppose somebody says, somebody comes to you and says, I'm feeling like I want to commit suicide. So let's ask Gopa. Gopa, come on, tell me, unmute yourself. And you have a client who comes, says that I feel like I want to commit suicide. What do you think? Which chakra is a problem?
It's a problem about root chakra, heart chakra, and third eye chakra.
First is Sahasrara chakra. They feel very disconnected with this life. So Sahasrara, crown, where they are feeling a huge disconnect कि this life is useless. There's no purpose in life. जिसको ऐसा है ना, that I want to do something about myself, about my job, about my children, about my husband, they will not think of suicide. They will think, oh, mera 99% of suicides are stopped because of their own thinking that मेरे बच्चे का क्या होगा, मेरे पति का क्या होगा, इसका क्या होगा, उसका क्या होगा if something happens to me, which is a good thing. So there is still something that is holding on to them, that yes, this is something that is important in my life. This person is important. I'm also important and this person is important. But जब वो disconnect हो जाता है ना कि किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला, मैं जीऊं मरूं, मैं रहूं ना रहूं, that's when there's a disconnect. So first is crown chakra. So if somebody talks about suicide, you must know that it is the crown chakra. So when you learn about chakra balancing, you get a lot of clarity about how to heal them. So then you put Reiki to that particular chakra and it helps them. Same with aura healing. So we have layers outside the body. So I would highly recommend you to learn these two. One is the chakra balancing and one is the aura healing. So this is the chakra balancing course. And then we have aura healing. Yes, this one. Become a master on aura healing. So this one also is highly recommended. You must learn about that also.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time.
Any more questions?
No, that's all. I think.
Unmute yourself, please. Unmute.
Oh, yeah. Thank you so much. My all questions got sorted. I look forward for it.
Yes. All right.
Thank you.
Yes. Then we have Shweta. Shweta, can you unmute yourself? Is Money Reiki Attunement will be live? Yes, it will be live. Any more questions, Shweta, or that's the only question?
गुड इवनिंग मैम।
गुड इवनिंग। क्या मैं आपको देख सकती हूँ, श्वेता?
मैम मैं बाहर हूँ और यहाँ
चलेगा,
बहुत मतलब
ठीक है।
साउंड आ रहा है इस
ठीक
वजह
है,
से।
ठीक है।
और मैम मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था चक्रा से।
बोलिए।
चक्रा जो मैं डेली करती हूँ 30 मिनट्स का, तो क्या मुझे 2 टाइम करना चाहिए या एक टाइम सफिशिएंट है इन द मॉर्निंग?
एक टाइम सफिशिएंट है। थोड़े दिन तक आपको हर रोज करना है, जब तक आपको लगे कि जरूरत है। और जब आपको लगे जरूरत नहीं, आई एम क्वाइट बैलेंस, लाइफ इज गोइंग गुड, देन यूज इट एज एंड व्हेन यू फील द नीड टू। ठीक है?
ओके मैम। एंड मैम वन मोर थिंग, जब से मैंने एंजल हीलिंग के बारे में पढ़ना शुरू किया कोर्स के बाद, तब से कुछ जैसे अलग अलग स्पेशली 3 तरह की बटरफ्लाईज, येलो, व्हाइट एंड ब्लैक, मैं कहीं भी जाऊं, मार्केट में हूँ, घर पे हूँ, छत पे हूँ, किसी और के घर पे हूँ, ऐसा लगता है वो मेरे साथ साथ चल रही हैं और मैं उसको ना कनेक्ट नहीं कर पा रही हूँ।
तो आपको पता है कि आपके गार्डियन एंजल्स आपके साथ ही रहते हैं? नहीं पता?
नहीं पता मैम।
नहीं पता। तो जब हम पैदा होते हैं, हमारे साथ हमारे गार्डियन एंजल्स पैदा होते हैं, पैदा नहीं क्रिएट होते हैं, जो 2 है, लेफ्ट एंड राइट। और जब हम एंजल हीलिंग सीखते हैं तो हम इन एंजल से कनेक्ट करना सीखते हैं। तो आप अगर ये एंजल हीलिंग का कोर्स और डिटेल में 1-2 बार और रिवाइज करेंगी तो आपको समझ आएगा कि ये बटरफ्लाईज आपको क्या बोल रही हैं, रिपीटेड नंबर्स क्या बोल रही हैं, रेनबो आपको क्या बोल रहा है। बट जब तक आपको समझ आए, आपको हर बार ये समझना है कि जब भी आप बटरफ्लाईज देखो, आप बस ये बोलो, ओके द एंजल्स आर देयर टू सपोर्ट मी। अच्छा, द एंजल्स आर देयर प्रोटेक्टिंग मी ऑलवेज, द एंजल्स आर देयर गाइडिंग मी ऑलवेज। तो जब आप ये थॉट को अपने साथ बोलो तो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। ठीक है?
ओके मैम। मैम चक्रास में मैं कलर विजुअलाइज नहीं कर पाती हूँ, जैसे कि बाकी सारी चीजें तो ठीक होती है लेकिन कलर नहीं विजुअलाइज कर पाती हूँ मैं अभी भी,
इसका मतलब
इवन
आपका
1 ईयर हो रहा है।
हाँ, इसका मतलब आपका क्लियर पावर आईज को लेके नहीं है। तो आप बीज मंत्र स्टार्ट करो। हर एक चक्र का एक बीज मंत्र होता है। तो कुछ लोगों को कलर ज्यादा कनेक्ट करता है, कुछ लोगों को साउंड से कनेक्ट होता है। तो आपको आंखें बंद करके अपने साउंड्स को चांट करना है, जो है लम, वम, रम, यम, हम, ओम। तो इनको आपको जोर से चांट करना है फॉर अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम। और आप अपना चक्र बैलेंसिंग थ्रू बीज मंत्र कर सकते हैं रादर देन कलर्स।
वो आपके वीडियो से करती हूँ मैं मैम, लेकिन बहुत अलग अलग एक्सपीरियंस हो रहे, कभी पूरी बॉडी में वाइब्रेशन, मतलब मैं बहुत हैप्पी हूँ। वो जो एक्सपीरियंस मुझे हो रहे हैं लास्ट 1 ईयर से, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी।
चलो गुड, दैट इज द नाइस थिंग।
एंड मैम एक फीडबैक है, मैंने जो जीबू सिंबल सीखा उससे जो मैंने बायोन्सी मैंने डेली तकरीबन 3 महीने तक डेली बनाया। एंड थैंक यू आपको कि अब मुझे किसी के कुछ भी कहने से बिल्कुल इफेक्ट ही नहीं होता, बिल्कुल भी, नॉट सिंगल 1%।
वंडरफुल। आप बताओ, बायोन्सी इतना अच्छे से पढ़ा है तो कौन से फ्लावर से वो रिलेट करता है?
ये नहीं पता मैम, मैंने बस उसके बारे में पढ़ा और उसे बनाना शुरू कर दिया है।
हाँ, लोटस। लोटस पता है क्या है? कीचड़ में पैदा होता है या कीचड़ में रहता है, और कीचड़ उसके ऊपर चढ़ती नहीं है। मतलब इट इज नॉट अफेक्टेड बाय मड अराउंड इट और यू नो द dirt around it or the liquid around it. So that is what makes a lotus very different from other flowers, and that is why buoyancy is a symbol which will not allow you to be affected by the negativity around you. So that's amazing, Shweta. You have started using it and you have started getting the benefit. Or kuch?
मैम मरियम के लिए थैंक यू है, उन्होंने मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट किया, हर एक चीज बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर की। एंड थैंक यू सो मच मरियम को, और आपको भी मैम थैंक यू सो मच।
ठीक है। ओके श्वेता, आपने कौन कौन से कोर्सेज लिया है?
मैम मैंने चक्रास लिया है, जीबू जीबू एंजल सिंबल, मनी रेकी और एंजल हीलिंग। और अभी नेक्स्ट मैं सोच रही हूँ रेकी लेने के लिए, जैसे ही मनी रेकी कंप्लीट होता है।
क्या
एक्चुअली
सोच?
मैम मतलब मैं एक कोर्स खत्म करना चाह रही हूँ मनी रेकी,
अच्छा,
इसके बाद मैं उसे लेना चाहती हूँ।
ठीक है, डन।
थैंक यू मैम।
All right. Yes. So we have Joy Chandra. Joy Chandra, can you be unmuting yourself? Joy Chandran, Dr. Joy Chandran. Yes. Unmute yourself, please. Are you there? Yes. Tell me, sir, what exactly is your doubt?
Good evening. After a long time.
Yes. Can I see you, sir?
Yeah,
Yes.
of course, I can see you. Can you see me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Thank you. It was a very wonderful after a long time, because I'm practicing more than 30 years in Reiki Master Grandship in Karuna Reiki, Tirame Reiki, Usu Reiki, and all.
Lovely.
It's wonderful. Just for a refreshment, I listen you from the beginning. It is wonderful. And I want to know, how do you give the attunement for with the distance Reiki giving? That's what I want to know.
Sir, I have given that details in the Reiki Reiki Master course.
Okay. Like a distance healing, you are giving the attunement, is it?
Yes, it's called as
Okay,
the Chi ball attunement. Also, you can do it through Zoom.
Yes.
Yes. So, how to give attunement from a distance, and also how to give attunement is taught in detail in the master level, which
Yes.
you'll be able to access, and you can go in detail through that.
Okay. Nice. Thank you.
Anything
And
else, sir?
also, one happy news, we have a new clinic in Mumbai
Wow.
related to acupressure, acupuncture, Reiki, Tirame Reiki, Usu
Lovely.
Reiki,
Lovely.
and Karuna Reiki, then color therapy, then Ayurveda, diet and nutrition, naturopathy, and all. It's going well.
Wonderful.
And counseling also we started, all on all group.
Lovely. Very nice.
Career guidance and astrology with the career guidance, like that.
Lovely. Very nice. So, wishing you all the best, sir.
Thank you very much. Keep in touch. Thank you very much.
Yes. We have Rakesh. Rakesh, can you unmute yourself, please? Where are you, Rakesh?
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Yes.
After a long time.
Yes. And that is why you're looking different. I think if you wouldn't have told me you're Rakesh, I wouldn't have recognized you. You've left all this and this. You're looking different. Yes.
No, ma'am. Actually, this is a good spiritual vibe.
Absolutely, I agree.
Ma'am, I have a few questions. Like for Reiki, I'm actually doing distance healing now.
Hmm?
So the question is, see, how can I know that if it is working for other person?
So whenever you do healing for anybody, every 4 to 5 days, you need to connect with them like this on a Zoom call or on a phone and ask them that how are you feeling? What is the difference that you are seeing? And also 100% make sure to give them some tasks to do. Don't take the 100% responsibility. Give them some task to do, either affirmation or whatever you think is right for them at that particular point of time, and give them tasks to do. And then ask them also that, did you do this? Because as much as it is required for them to heal, they should also take initiative in bringing about changes in their own self. They should not be like, I have paid the money and he's going to heal and he should do the magic and I will be whatever I want to do. No, it doesn't work like that. I'll give you an example to understand. When we talk about weight loss, we tell people, okay, we will give you the diet, we will give you the thing that we should do and everything else. But ultimately, you need to follow the diet. You need to follow the regime. Similarly, when you do healing, the person cannot be like, okay, I am having a bad attitude, I'm having a bad habit, I'm having all the bad negative energy, and I am going to stay like this, and you do whatever magic. No, you should tell them, I will do what is required from my end, which is the magical part. And you are going to do what is required from your end, which is the logical part. which means bringing about changes in your thoughts, in your feelings, in your behavior, in your lifestyle, in the place around you, and doing things that is required for an improvement. Why? Because you should ask them, do you want that change? Do you want that improvement? Do you want to grow? Do you want to heal? They say yes. All right. So I'll do my bit, then you do your bit. And on every 4 to 5 days, check for the changes that they can see. And I want to share a story which is going to motivate you that, yes, it works. There's this person, without revealing the names, you can always share the story, because even you guys, make sure you keep your client's story confidential with regards to the names, but you can always share the story. So this client came up to me saying that my husband lost the job 2 years back, and there are a lot of fights after that. So can you start the healing for his behavior and all of that? I don't take generally the healing clients. I generally teach, but this was on a very special request. And I said, yes. It was 21st day of healing. And this lady called me and she said, magically out of nowhere, the company called back and said, we will give you 75% of the salary. Can you come back to work? And I was not healing that this person should get the work back. I was just healing that let his behavior, misbehavior, not behavior, let his misbehavior be corrected. Let his attitude, arrogance, shouting, anger, fights should come down. And the solution came in this way, that he got his job back, but they said, you will get 75% of the job. Are you okay? And he said, yes. And he got back to his job, and she is happy. He's happy. So yes, healing does work, but we can't decide it should happen in this manner. It should happen in this manner. It can happen in any manner that it can. The universe needs to decide. Our job is to heal and say that things should get better. So Rakesh, you being a healer and a super healer, such a powerful healer, don't ask this, that is it working? You should have and live with faith that it will work. I will do my bit. Honestly, I will do what is required, and healing will work. And sometimes if it is slow, give them that assurance, have patience. It's not like overnight difference. You might have so much of negativity, so much of blockages, so it will take time. So tell them and assure them that things will improve, things will move, the needle will move. Have patience.
Ma'am, I'm using photography method. I'm using latest photograph of them. And if I need to heal third eye chakra, I'm zooming the particular part. I'm sending the like. Is it the correct way?
It's
is
okay.
it the correct way?
Yes, you can.
Ma'am, one thing, when I'm doing healing in the room or something like that. So when I'm healing like this, my 2 fingers are getting heavy. Is it because of the negative energy? Like these 2 fingers, they get heavy sometimes.
So do the cord.
Yes, I do cord cutting.
And also cleanse your aura regularly every day. When you do healing, make sure to just have the bath salt and then have a bath, so that you're cleansing your unwanted energies. And after the healing, wash your hands also. Immediately. You'll feel better.
Ma'am, what are the courses related to angels? I want to do more. I think you already know the angel course. I'm master in the angel course.
So have you done the symbols also, angel symbols also?
No.
Then please go ahead and learn angel symbols. It's an amazing course. You will get to learn 88 symbols. And this is something that you can give as a thing to your clients also. Whoever needs whatever problem, you give them 2-3 symbols to draw every day, and they can heal themselves using the symbols also.
Thank you.
Yes. So go ahead and see that angel symbols and learn from that.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah? Okay. Okay. So, Gopa, there's a request, please launch Karuna Reiki ASAP. Yes, I will. But now the next on the list is runes. You're aware of it, Gopa? We're going to launch runes. Okay, we're going to launch runes. You will get the information. So after that will be Karuna Reiki. Taking feedback is very, very important. Yes. So any more doubts, anybody? Or we are done for the day. Is that all? Are we done? So any more doubts in Ganesh Reiki, Expedite, 21 ways to use symbols, Ashtalakshmi, Akashic Records, Saraswati Wisdom Reiki, Super Healers, then personalized Lakshmi Yantra, Karma and cord cutting, chakra balancing, mindfulness, manifestation, concepts of NLP, theta brain waves, Reiki master, various cleansing method, Ashtasiddhi, crystal healing, symbols, angel symbols. That's the one you should take, Rakesh. Reiki level 1, level 2, Ho'oponopono, money Reiki, 9 planets balancing, successful morning routine, aura healing, color therapy, oracle card reading, Claire powers, angel healing, feng shui, backflower remedies, karmic blocks, mantra meditation, various methods for manifestation, EFT, Hanuman Reiki, Shiva Reiki, and heal yourself. These are the courses which you would have taken. I'm having a question. Yes, Shruti, please unmute yourself, please. Given you the permission, unmute yourself. Are you there?
Hello, ma'am.
Shruti, are you there?
Yes, hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Can
Uh,
I see you, Shruti?
uh,
Are you comfortable coming on?
yes, I'm here. Ma'am,
Yes.
yeah, but there is a network issue.
No
Wait,
problem.
ma'am,
Yeah,
I'll
yeah.
manage.
Yes. Ask me, what is your
Yeah,
doubt?
ma'am, actually, I'm planning to conceive. अभी मैं प्लान कर रही हूँ कंसीव करने का मैम. सो शैल आई टेक रेकी क्लाइंट. मैं अभी रेकी पढ़ाती हूँ कई बार स्टूडेंट्स को, लेकिन मेरे पास क्लाइंट्स ज्यादा है जिनको मैं हील करती हूँ. तो मैंने अभी उनको हीलिंग देना चाहिए या नहीं?
जब तक आप कंसीव करो तब तक आप कर लो. कंसीव करने के बाद आप स्टॉप कर लो थोड़े दिन के लिए, जब तक यू डिलीवर एंड हैव बेबी, एंड जब तक for some time, at least a couple of years after you conceive, because we don't want to mess when we are pregnant. That's all. Otherwise, no other problem. Until you conceive, you can continue to do it.
मैम, आपसे मैंने मनी रेकी सीखा है, तो मैं मनी रेकी सिखा सकती हूँ फिर लोगों को?
आ सकते हो.
अच्छा, मतलब प्रेगनेंसी में भी सिखा सकती हूँ और बेबी होने के बाद भी सिखा सकती हूँ?
Yes, money Reiki you can teach.
ओके,
Just don't take
मतलब
clients for any kind of medical problems, any kind of low vibrating energy problems. You can still take clients for manifestation. अगर कोई बोल रहा है मुझे जॉब मैनिफेस्ट करना है, मुझे बेबी मैनिफेस्ट करना है, शादी मैनिफेस्ट करना है, ऐसा बोलते हैं ना clients कि मुझे ये चाहिए.
या यस
Those
मैम.
clients you can take. Don't take clients after conceiving for the other negative, anything, unwell, all of
Yeah.
that. Don't take.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You solved my query. Thank you so much.
Which course of mine have you taken, Shruti?
I taken, ma'am, money Reiki,
Okay.
Ho'oponopono,
Okay.
and I'm planning to take that angel symbols.
Okay. It's an amazing course. You can definitely.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, your all courses are so amazing and very reasonable price as well.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. So then we have Supriya. Do we have angel symbol course available? Yes, darling. How do you not know that? Supriya, unmute yourself. Unmute
Hello.
yourself. Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are
Okay.
audible, but you're not visible.
Oh, no, means I'm like on the mobile and I just
Sure.
joined this meeting. Sorry.
Yes. So Supriya, here,
Okay.
can you see on the screen angel symbols?
Yes, yes. Okay, I will buy this course then.
Do you have
Because
the
I
link?
have, yes, I do have the link. Means you have given me many times,
Done.
and I have done your angel healing course as well. So
Great.
I'm looking forward to do other courses as well. So I'll finish angel part first.
Yes.
And I wanted to say many times, even I have said in many meetings, even in that 888 portal at that time also, you are my favorite on Instagram.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes. So you can definitely do it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So Archana is asking runes. The spelling is RUNES. They are a kind of predictive healing, wherein you can use stones which have certain symbols and you can use them for predicting and getting guidance. It's like oracle card reading, tarot card reading. Okay. Gopa, I use angel symbols at random as much as I feel guided. Is that okay? Yes, that's how you are supposed to use. You can't use 88 symbols every day. Whatever is the need on that particular day. आज मुझे पैसा चाहिए, use prosperity and abundance. किसी दिन love चाहिए, use unconditional love. आज peace चाहिए तो peace use करो. Health चाहिए तो health use करो. Whatever is the need for the day, whatever is the mood of the day, whatever is the requirement of the day, use that symbol as per requirement.
But what I do, ma'am, is that मुझे जब भी ऐसा लगता है, I just open the book एंड जो भी लगता है मैं वो अप्लाई करती रहती हूँ, एक्टिवेट करती रहती हूँ. इज दैट ओके?
Yes, it's okay.
Around 20-25 symbols even I activate.
Good. Go ahead.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Kirti, can I take clairvoyance first? If you feel guided, you can. Clairvoyance, nahi. It's called clair powers. Clairvoyance is one of the clair power, Kirti, but otherwise we have 6 clair powers. So this is a part of angel healing, Kirti. So sabse pehle, if you take angel healing, then you can do clair powers. Without that, you will feel like lost. You're asking me like, beach mein something can I take? The course is somewhere not in the beginning. It is like an advanced level. So Kirti, I wouldn't feel like you should do it, but still if you feel like you want to do it, go ahead and do it, whichever you feel is right. Okay? Any more doubts, anybody? Feel free. Don't feel like this is a small question or a big question, silly question. Whatever you feel, go ahead and ask, and I'm going to answer your questions today.
No, ma'am, you have full of knowledge. You know better than me, so you
So
guide
I would
me.
say if you're a beginner, take chakra balancing, take aura healing, take angel healing, then come to clair powers.
Okay, first chakra balancing,
Chakra balancing is number 1.
and then aura healing, and then
Alright.
clair power.
You
Okay,
can take
ma'am.
angel healing also.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Done. So I think we're done with all the questions. No more hand raises. Yes, and no more messages. Yes. Thank you so much for giving me your valuable time. And next week, we will have the attunement for Ganesh Reiki. A lot of people who had left to, because last time Ganpati day only we had attunement and a lot of people couldn't come. We will have the attunement coming week. So anybody else who wants to learn Ganesh Reiki, make sure to join in. Thank you so much and keep healing.
Thank you.
Because I'm on a mission to create one healer in every house. All right? Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.